Hello, everybody. This will be a very quick one. Let's jump right in. So, you are going to click on this button here in your n8n Canvas backend here, and then click on how to update your n8n version. That'll take you out here to your n8n dashboard admin panel. I am on a free trial account just to show you how this works. So n8n will come out with updates regularly. So you just got to keep your eye on that little box, that little gift box that we showed. And I always recommend updating to the latest stable, but if you want to try out some new features, you know that there's new features in the beta, feel free to upgrade to the beta. I'll upgrade to the stable. And just press save changes. You can confirm this and then go back to your dashboard. It will take a minute for n8n to get this up and running. So just check back in a couple minutes. So that is all. It's that easy to get n8n updated. Make sure you save your workflows before doing an update because it will restart your system and that will break your workflows if they're not saved, or it will overwrite them, not break them. All right, everyone. That's it for this one. We'll see you soon.